This is Jan. This is tutorial 3 in the statistics section. I set my data frame back to the improved model. I like it more, cause so we have another function I will discuss with you. I load it into the memory. It's called branch histogram. First, it stores the maximum height of my data frame in a variable max height, so 11.47 meters. Then we create again an empty data frame with 3 columns. Um, so height starts at 0 as long as the height is smaller than this max height. We will ah so yeah, we are just creating here an empty data frame filled with zeros. Bin width, I set this to half a meter now. It's a parameter which we can give to the function. So now we should have like 24 empty entries in the data frame called branches. 23, not 24. It's not totally empty. We have the minimum height and the maximum height. And here we will store later. So all branches between 0 centimeter and 50 centimeters, their summed up volume will be here. And all branches who grow out of the stem between this height and this height will be stored here. And that's what this data frame is about. So first I get like the number of branches. So we have 83 branches on this tree. This is including shoots. And now I don't explain as detailed as the functions before. We iterate over each branch ID, and then yeah, we will just so here's a so data branch is from our data folder. Let's say we look at branch number 2 and or let's 22, and then it would be all these cylinders here from here to down there. Here. And so we created our subdata frame, and we will get I set exemplary the data no I gleich 22. We looked at this, so we have here our subdata frame. I don't trust, it shouldn't be empty. Ah. It should exist, this branch. I have to think. Why? Why he is not accepting this? Okay. Uh, unique data branch ID. Branch ID. So we don't have my eyes are bad. So we don't have a branch 22. So we iterate through these numbers. We have, for example, a branch number 9. So like I equals 9. And we have been, I lost now where I was in the code. I'm really sorry for this. Uh, we should be here. And the height of the branch is the height of the first cylinder. So we are at the branch number 9. We have stored this here, and the height, the starting height of the first cylinder. So this value we will store here in branch height. Where do we have it? .10 here. Here we have it. Then I get I do this. This is a rounding function, and to get so I divide by my bin width, which was half a meter. So I have something like yeah, 22 point something ish, and then I round it down, and this is my index where I have to put. So this is the index between 22 and 22. No, this is the index between 10.5 meters and 11 meters. So there I want to sum up all the volume of the branch, and so we look back in our data frame. We have added here. So this branch number 9 it was. Here we set to 9. Is growing at this height bin, as because it has a height of above 10.5 meters but below 11 meters, and this is the volume. And of course in the complete loop we do it for all branches. So I think I already stored the function branch histogram. I have it here, so I can call the function. I have stored in branches now. This is a lot of really small values, but this is not 0. This is only quite near 0. again not true. Does he? Error. Object data 2. Ah, I modified a little bit. Okay, so now we have started branches. Here are our values. And again, we can plot. I plot the min height versus the summed up volume. Uh, and we can see that at a height of 4.5 meters we have a whirl going out. Here is the major whirl of the tree. And why the zero value is so high? Because we count also the stem in this case as a branch, and it grows from height 0, of course. So to get rid of it, I just remove all branch order 0 cylinders from my model, store the resulting in data 2, and if I replot now this whole stuff, this will vanish and we will have a better look. So here are 4 worlds at 4.5 meters, at 6 meters, 7 meters and 8 meters. The rest is neglectable. Here are only growing shoots out of the tree, I would say, more or less. So yeah, and here will our crown start at 4.5 meters, and yeah, this is also quite nice. So this is for this tutorial, and I will explain one more function. Goodbye.